Are you ready to discover the meaning of the Fool Tarot card? Well, in this video, I reveal exactly what this card means in any tarot reading, whether it's about love, career, finance, spirituality, or just simply a general reading. Plus, I'm going to show you how to interpret this card when it's upright or reversed. So that way you'll never go blank in a reading again. So let's dive in. Now, the Fool represents new beginnings, opportunities, innocence, spontaneity, and taking a leap of faith. And this card is numbered 0. And so the Fool also represents unlimited potential. And he journeys through the major arcana, taking what's called the Fool's journey, and he meets his guides along the way and he learns all of the important karmic lessons of each of the major arcana cards. And you'll see here on the Fool Tarot card, a young man, he stands on the edge of a cliff and he doesn't have a care in the world because he's setting out on this beautiful new adventure. And he's gazing upwards towards the sky, which is like the universe, and he's seemingly unaware that he's about to skip off a precipice into the unknown. Now, over his shoulder, he's got a modest knapsack, and inside of that, it contains everything that he needs, which actually isn't much. And the white rose in his left hand, it represents his purity and his innocence. And at his feet, he's got this small white dog, and that dog represents loyalty and protection, and it really encourages him to charge forward and learn the lessons that he came to learn. Now, you see those mountains behind the Fool? Well, those symbolize some of the challenges that are yet to come. They're always there, but the Fool doesn't care about them right now because he's more focused on starting his expedition. Now, in its upright position, the Fool is a card of new beginnings, opportunity, and potential. So just like the young man, you're at the outset of your journey, standing at that cliff's edge, and you're about to take your first step into the unknown. And even though you don't know exactly where you're going, you're being called to commit to yourself and follow your heart, no matter how crazy this leap of faith might seem. And so now is a time when you really need to trust where the universe is taking you. Now, as you undertake this journey, the Fool really encourages you to have an open, a curious mind and that sense of excitement. So you can just throw caution to the wind and really be ready to embrace the unknown, leaving behind any fear, worry, or anxiety that may or may not happen. So this is really about those new experiences, personal growth and development, and of course, adventure. So the time is now. Just take that leap of faith, even if you don't feel 100% ready or equipped for what's coming next. And really, who knows what that could be? Seriously, what are you waiting for? Do you think that you need to have everything mapped out before that you can begin? Well, no way, definitely not with the Fool, because he ventures out on his journey with just those essential belongings, and he's inviting you to do the same. You don't have to wait for someone to give you the green light or hold off until you have all of the skills and the tools and resources that you might need. You've got to know this. You are ready. You are ready now. And if you've been watching for a sign, then this is it. Now, this is definitely a time of great potential and opportunity for you now. The world is your oyster. Anything can happen. You only need to use your creative mind with a dash of spontaneity to make the most of this magical time and really bring forth your new ideas in powerful ways. So the Fool is also your invitation to relax, to play, have fun, treat life like one big experiment and just feel yourself in the flow of whatever comes your way. So this card asks you to embrace your beautiful, carefree spirit, allowing yourself to connect to the energy that surrounds you and flows through you. You can tap into your fullest potential by stepping into a place of wonderment, curiosity, and intrigue. So live life as if you are a child once again. Laugh more, dance, let your heart go free. Now, when it comes to relationships and love, the Fool often signifies the early stages of a new relationship. Maybe when you're getting to know each other and maybe you're being a little bit more vulnerable with each other. Now, you might be afraid to let go and explore the possibilities together, but this tension and this fear actually urge you forward and entice you to find out where this relationship is heading. Alternatively, you may not be ready for a commitment just yet, even though others might be asking it of you. So maybe you feel more attracted to the single lifestyle where you can come and go as you please and you can explore multiple relationships at the same time. And maybe you're seeking more fun and spontaneity rather than something more serious. Now, if you're in a relationship, you may desire to step out on your own and date other people. Maybe you're on the verge of wanting to start your own journey, but you just don't know how to make it happen. Or maybe you just want to introduce more fun, more playfulness into your existing relationships. Now, when it comes to career, work, and finances, the Fool can often suggest the start of a new career path or maybe a new job. And this is likely to be an area where you have limited experience, but you're eager to learn. So maybe it's an internship, a new industry, or a complete career change. And the Fool can also represent an entrepreneurial spirit. New ideas and possibilities inspire to become a new business or create a new business. Maybe you're considering leaving your current job to pursue your dreams of starting a new company or embarking on a new career journey. Now, a word of caution, you may be susceptible to those get-rich-quick schemes that leave you high and dry, so do your research before investing. Now, if you see the Fool tarot card in a spiritual reading, it's a sign that you're learning to trust the universe and listen to your intuition as you take this leap of faith. So you are in flow with the universal energies and you're engaged in a dance with life itself. And the more that you let go and the more that you surrender to the now, the more potential that you allow into your path. So it's as if you're experiencing life for the first time, as you're intensely present and you're opening yourself up to the wonders of the world around you. You might also be open to exploring many metaphysical belief systems in the quest to find something that really resonates with you. And even though friends and family, they might not understand your spiritual journey, you feel called to deepen your knowledge and explore these new philosophies. Now, what if you see the Fool card reversed in your tarot reading? Well, it can suggest that you've conceived of a new project, but you're not quite ready to birth it into the world just yet. Maybe you're worried that it might not fit, or you don't have all the tools and the skills and resources that you need to make this project a success. Or perhaps you have a sense that maybe the timing's just not right. Something's holding you back and you're actually preventing yourself from moving forward. So you might just choose to keep this new opportunity to yourself, or for now you might be just parking it until a better time comes along. Maybe though, you might be fearing the unknown. You're wondering, what am I getting myself into? And as a result, you've come to a standstill and you're worried about taking any action where you don't know the outcome. And this often boils down to the need to control everything. So balance this out with knowing that the universe has your back and you can take this step forward, even if you're unsure of exactly what's going to happen next. Now, on the flip side, the reversed Fool can also show you that you may be taking a few too many risks and you're acting recklessly. So in your attempt to live in the moment and be spontaneous and adventurous, you may do so in this total disregard of the consequences of your actions. And you're engaging in activities that might actually be putting yourself and others at risk. So look at that bigger picture and consider how you can keep that free spirit of the Fool without harming others. Now, in light of the playful and the fun energy of the upright Fool, the reversal can also suggest that you're exploring this spirit on a more personal and a quiet level. So for example, instead of just letting your hair down and dancing up on stage, maybe you're just dancing in your bedroom for now, like no one's watching. So you can look at how you can bring more play into your daily life, even if you're just doing it in private. Now, if you want to learn more about the tarot cards, I've got something really special for you. It is my tarot card meanings reference guide, and it is absolutely free. All you need to do is click on the link below to get access, and you will never go blank in a reading again. And if you want to learn more about how to read tarot in a more modern and approachable way, there's so much more to explore at Biddy Tarot, because we have helped millions of people around the world to really develop their tarot skills and read the cards with confidence, and we would love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.